Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating to Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this birdhouse that I got on clearance at Joann's. I'm going to start by taking this little anchor off of it. So I just heated it up with my blow dryer and then topped it off. And now I'm just going to sand down that area. Once I have that all sanded and wiped down, I am going to start by painting the whole birdhouse itself with the color Deep Burgundy. And I went around the whole thing and met up to the edge of the top of the house. This has this like little overhang, so I made sure I got in there. And then I am also going to paint all of the sides. Once I have the bird house itself painted, I'm going to take my antique wax and I am going to do the roof and the front part with the overhang. And then I'm also going to do the little perch that sticks out on the front with the antique wax as well. Once I have everything all stained, I'm going to take this bark that I got off of a tree in my yard, and I'm just going to start gluing pieces of it to the roof. So I'm going to do a layer on the bottom half, and then do the next layer above that, and go all the way up till I reach the peak of the roof. So I'm just taking pieces, just kind of picking them off. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then just gluing them on, kind of overlapping them as I go. As you can see, I'm just kind of putting one on top of another and then doing the final one. And then once I have that row done, I'm going to start doing the row above it and kind of overlapping them onto that as well. So meeting it almost over it. And I'm going to do that all the way up on this side till I reach the peak. And again, just overlapping them, just kind of breaking pieces off. I don't want this to be perfect. I don't want it to be cut looking. So I didn't use scissors or anything, and I'm just going to do that all the way up to the top. And then I'm going to repeat that on the other side as well. Just making sure that those are all glued on, as you can see, and then just doing the other side. Next, I'm going to take a greenery stem, and I just put it into a circle. And I'm going to glue that around the hole for the birdhouse. And just kind of hold that in place until it sets. Next, I'm going to take the Aleene's Glitter Snow. I get this on Amazon. And I'm just going to start adding snow all the way around the whole roof. So just getting that area, that kind of overhang in the front. And filling that all in. Just dabbing this all on. I'm just using a paintbrush. Once I have that front area done, I'm going to put a little on the perch, and then I'm going to start going around the edges of the roof and on top, just kind of dabbing snow where I think it would fall and get stuck if it was actually snowing. So right along this peak here, kind of along some of the shingles, along the edges of the house, and I'm just going to go around doing that until I get the whole roof covered the way I want it. And I've almost got it finished where I want it with all of the snow. Once I have that all on there, I'm just going to take some fine glitter and sprinkle it onto the snow while the snow is still wet. Just making sure I get the whole roof and all of that snow and make that really glisten. I'm going to tap off the excess. And then once I have that all on there, finally I'm going to take this little bow that I made out of some shimmery white ribbon. And I'm just going to glue that to the bottom of the wreath on the front of the house. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it. And if I could find a little bird, I'm going to put it on the perch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.